Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete a video in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now let's open up our TikTok app first, and to view our videos, let's go to our profile. You can see the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that you can see a video of my laptop I just created. Now after opening the video that you want to delete, for me that will be this video. Now you can see the three dot icon over here in the bottom right corner of your phone. Just tap there like this, you can see, and the three rows of options has appeared, and on the bottom row of the options you need to slide it a little, and you can see the delete option over here. Just tap there and tap delete, and there guys, the video has been deleted from our playlist or our grid. Now to delete a draft video, just go to draft. Okay, now to delete a draft you just need to tap on and hold for a moment on the video you want to delete. Let's do that, and you can see the delete draft option up here. Delete it, and let's delete. There guys, this is how you delete a draft on a video published on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.